Welcome to Flow and Flourish. There was a time when I believed beautiful home decor had to cost thousands. I'd scroll Pinterest, save dreamy living rooms, and then sigh. Because my budget? It barely covered rent and groceries. But then I discovered something magical. The Dollar Tree. No, seriously, I walked in for tape and walked out with ideas that changed my entire home. Today I'm sharing 10 Dollar Tree home decor hacks that made my space look designer without spending more than a few hundred rupees or a few dollars. Hack 1, mirror wall magic. I bought 6 framed mirrors for just $1 each, arranged in a grid on my wall. They looked like an upscale showroom, brightened the room and made it feel bigger instantly. Hack 2, candle holders turned vases. Dollar Tree candle holders and clear glass vases glued together with super glue. Boom, elegant centerpiece. Add faux eucalyptus or pampas grass, and people will ask where you bought it. Hack 3, gold spray paint, instant luxury. I took plastic trays, tiny statues, even photo frames. Sprayed them gold. Now they look like West Elm finds, but cost less than a coffee. Hack 4, rope basket DIY. Plain laundry bin plus hot glue plus jute rope. A rustic chic basket. Perfect for storing throws, books, or even plants. Hack 5, faux books for styling. Grab old books, wrap them in neutral craft paper or white contact paper. Stack 3, tie with twine, and add a little label like home, breathe, or cozy. They look so aesthetic on shelves. Hack 6, picture frame lanterns. Remove glass, glue 4 frames into a cube shape, and drop in a faux candle. It's the coziest little lantern. And trust me, people will think it's from a decor store. Hack 7, marble contact paper fix. I used marble contact paper to revamp an old side table. It turned a dull corner into a luxe space for under $10. Hack 8, floating shelves that don't float. Using basic wood planks and Dollar Tree brackets, I built mini floating shelves. Perfect for plants, candles, or framed quotes. Hack 9, frame calendar art. I found a pretty calendar with floral artwork, cut out the pages and framed them. Now I have an entire gallery wall that cost less than $10 total. Hack 10, elevate everything with a tray. Group items on a tray, candle, a small book, a tiny vase. Even a bathroom corner looks classy with this trick. I want to know, which of these hacks would you actually try at home? Decorating this way reminded me that beauty isn't about cost, it's about intention. Drop it in the comments, or share your own Dollar Tree gem. I love learning from you too. And if this gave you inspiration, please like this video, subscribe to Flow and Flourish, and share it with a friend who loves DIY and cozy homes. Your dream space. It doesn't need a huge budget, just a little creativity.